13 artificial intelligence applications that will affect the future of retail shopping experience. Customer behavior analysis. There are 4 types of in-person customer behaviors that matters to the retailers. Shoplifting, suspicious activity, gaze time, and dwell time. So let's look at shoplifting. Computer vision can track each product and customer that took it from the shelf, and can also track if they placed the product in the basket or let's say under their shirt. They can attach that item with that customer and keep track if they leave or try to leave the store without paying. Suspicious activity. Computer vision based systems which use techniques such as activity recognition, object tracking, pose estimation have been developed also for theft detection. Now we have gaze time and dwell time. So gaze time is the time spent looking at a product. Dwell time is the time spent in front of the shelf. So with computer behavior analysis, it can improve dwell time and gaze time, allowing users to understand how shoppers interact with different items. The overall aim is to understand more about the in-store customer experience so that they can boost conversion rates on specific products. Inventory management. 72% of the retailers plan to reinvent their supply chain with real-time visibility enabled by automation, sensors, and analytics, according to Zebra. Computer vision systems are used to capture images before employing image segmentation and object detection algorithms to track items on shelves and carry out the entire inventory scan. It will enable the retailers to implement automated inventory ordering systems with more precision so they can meet the customer demands before it's too late. So virtual fitting rooms or virtual try-ons. Retail returns jumped to an average of 16.6% in 2021 versus 10.6% a year ago, according to a survey by the National Retail Federation that adds to more than $761 billion of merchandise that retailers expect will wind up back in the stores and warehouses. And often customers order 2 sizes of clothing items, 1 to go above the minimum order requirement for free shipping, and 2 so they can see which size will fit them and then they can return the other. So this puts a huge burden on the retailers as 15 to 20% of the inventory ends up circling just because of that. And when they get back the item, they will have to either sell it on sale or discard it. So with virtual fitting room technology, retailers can give their customers peace of mind to ensure that the item they will order will fit them, therefore reduce the waste. Crowd analysis. As a retailer, you want to know the demographics of your current customer segment, which aisle they visit, which products are popular with which demographic. Decisions can then be made in regards to product listings that help boost conversion rates. So retailers can also use computer vision to ensure the health and safety protocols are being followed, such as maximum occupancy are being followed, and if the store is enforcing COVID-19 protocols. The technology can detect face masks and ensure social distancing rules are also being followed. Sustainability tracking. Blockchain can be used to track if the product was actually made and followed through a sustainable flow, so customers can be sure that the brand that is claiming sustainability is actually following it from the get-go. Auto-generated product descriptions. This is my prediction. With AI tools will enable you to write your blog posts or your product descriptions on a fly. They can be implemented to automatically write product descriptions based on each user, so it speaks to them in their language, using the slangs and the terminology to increase conversions. So authenticity tracking. Companies like RealReal use blockchain to keep track of the product authenticity to make sure the used products they sell actually are authentic and made by the original brand as they claim to be. Search engine optimization. According to Statista, 68% of users search for products on Google before purchasing. With artificial intelligence, as retailers enrich their product data, they can optimize the product to appear in Google and Bing search results, so drive more conversions and increase their revenue. So another thing for retail optimization is product recommendations. So 49% of consumers say that after receiving a personalized recommendation, they have purchased a product that they did not initially intend to buy, according to Automat. E-commerce sites who implement dynamic product placements with respect to each customer can largely benefit from it. Example, when you visit Amazon, the products you see on the page are catered specifically for you based on your last purchases, products you visited, and the products you added to your list. Search, text, image, and voice. So according to Forrester, 43% of the users that visit a website use websites built-in search. With artificial intelligence, retailers can improve their search to show the products that match exact search query. So Bloomingdales improved their product data and were able to add $20 million in incremental revenue to their bottom line. I have another video that talks about this into detail, and I'll drop a link in the description so you can go check it out. Impersonal personalization or facial recognition. So personal shoppers and personalized attention to high-value customers. With computer vision, you can detect which high-end customer or high-value customer is entering your store, and then you can ping the appropriate assistant to give them the more personalized experience and attention they deserve. Brand management. OpenTable, Yelp, PhotoBucket, Poshmark, ThreadUp. These websites enable their users to upload multiple product images. But the brands have to keep track of any inappropriate, low-quality content to keep the brand value. It is nearly impossible to do it by hiring more people. So as artificial intelligence, NLP, which is natural language processing, and computer vision, it is enabling these companies to automatically manage any inappropriate content and maintain their brand management. Virtual reality and artificial reality, and of course the metaverse. The use of virtual reality and augmented reality can be used to create systems that give customers an illusion of shopping in the real store. Imagine sitting on your couch and buying your favorite product by telling them on virtually and having a smooth shopping experience. So this is one of the hottest applications of AI for e-commerce.